friend, welcome back to my channel. How can you create this type of photos of reels to upload in YouTube for YouTube source, Instagram or Facebook? Okay, this is very easy. Download OBS, then run, and after you have to go to the setting tab. Okay, go to setting. Here go to video, and here this default is 1920 into 1080p, and here also same 1920 into 1080p. What you have to do is just opposite 1080 into 920, and here also same. They are fine. Okay, now this icon will appear here. Okay, then after you work, you just slide down and fit here, and after maybe the Photoshop in the large scale, just drag in. Okay, minimize the Photoshop and drag and fit like this, and so you can create Photoshop reels for your YouTube source video. Okay friends, this video help you to create search like this. Then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.